Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the status access violation error in Microsoft Edge. Step 1, open Settings. Click on the Start menu and type Settings in the search bar. Click on the best match result to open Windows Settings. Step 2, access installed apps. In the Settings window, click on Apps from the left sidebar. On the right side, select Installed Apps. Step 3, find Microsoft Edge. Scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find Microsoft Edge in the installed apps list. Click on the three dotted menu next to it and select Modify. Step 4, repair Microsoft Edge. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to make changes. Click Yes. The repair process will begin, requiring an internet connection to reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings will not be affected. Click Repair and wait for the process to complete. Step 5, restart and test. Once the repair process is finished, relaunch Microsoft Edge and check if the issue is resolved. You have successfully repaired Microsoft Edge and fixed the status access violation error. If the problem persists, consider updating your browser or reinstalling it manually.